Black pepper, often called the king of spices, is not just a common kitchen ingredient. It is a powerful natural medicine that has been used for thousands of years in traditional healing systems like Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. Let's explore the complete health benefits of black pepper and understand why this small spice has such big power. 1. Boosts digestion and gut health. Black pepper strongly supports digestion. It stimulates the stomach to produce hydrochloric acid, which helps break down food properly. This reduces problems like indigestion, gas, and bloating, constipation. It also helps prevent harmful bacteria from growing in the gut, keeping your digestive system healthy and active. 2. Improves nutrient absorption. One of the most powerful compounds in black pepper is piperine. Piperine increases the absorption of important nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and B complex iron, selenium, curcumin from turmeric. This means your body gets more benefits from the food you eat, especially when black pepper is added to meals. 3. Strengthens immunity. Black pepper has strong antioxidant and antibacterial properties. These help the body fight infections, cold, and flu, bacterial illnesses. Regular use of black pepper can strengthen your immune system and help protect you from seasonal diseases. 4. Powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is the root cause of many chronic diseases. Piperine in black pepper reduces inflammation and may help with joint pain, arthritis, muscle soreness. This makes black pepper especially beneficial for people suffering from long-term pain or stiffness. 5. Supports weight loss. Black pepper helps in breaking down fat cells and boosts metabolism. It prevents the formation of new fat cells and improves digestion, which supports healthy weight management. Drinking warm water with black pepper or adding it to meals can naturally support fat burning when combined with a balanced diet. 6. Improves brain function and memory. Black pepper supports brain health by improving blood circulation and stimulating neurotransmitters. Piperine may help improve memory, increase focus and alertness, reduce the risk of brain disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. It also helps boost mood by increasing serotonin and dopamine levels. 7. Enhances respiratory health. Black pepper is commonly used as a natural remedy for cough, cold, sinus congestion, asthma symptoms. It helps clear mucus from the respiratory tract and improves breathing, especially during cold weather. 8. Supports heart health. Black pepper helps maintain a healthy heart by improving blood circulation, reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, preventing blood clots. Its antioxidants protect the heart from oxidative stress and lower the risk of heart disease. 9. Controls blood sugar levels. Piperine improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This makes black pepper beneficial for people with diabetes, prediabetes. When used in moderate amounts, it helps keep blood sugar stable. 10. Improves skin health. Black pepper is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, helping to slow aging, reduce wrinkles, improve skin glow. It may also help with skin conditions like acne and vitiligo when used properly. 11. Detoxifies the body. Black pepper promotes sweating and urination, which helps the body remove toxins naturally. This supports liver function, kidney health, overall detoxification. 12. Natural pain reliever. Black pepper has natural analgesic properties. It can help reduce toothache, headache, muscle pain. In traditional medicine, black pepper oil is used in massage therapy for pain relief. 13. Improves appetite. For people who suffer from poor appetite or weakness, black pepper stimulates hunger and improves food intake naturally. How to use black pepper daily. Add freshly ground black pepper to meals. Mix black pepper with turmeric and warm milk.